Good morning, students. We are studying lesson 1, My Family and Me. Today we will read the summary of the chapter, Read and Reflect. Reflect means you have to show that in your behavior. So today we are going to study the summary of the chapter given on the last page of the chapter, Read and Reflect. Now coming on to our topic on page number 5, Read and Reflect. First point is, a family is a group of people who live in the same house and are related to each other. As you all know, a family consists of many people. They all live in a same house and are related to each other. Means they are relatives of each other. Second point, families can be nuclear, big or small, or joint. Nuclear family, as you all know, consists of parents and their children. If a nuclear family is big, means it has more than 2 children. And a joint family is a family in which grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, cousins all live together. Joint family is a big family. A joint family is also known as extended family. A nuclear family is also known as immediate family. Third point, a family tree shows the different generation of a family and how they are related to each other. You all know a family tree is a figure which shows the different generations of a family. What is generation? Generation is a group of people who are born at almost at the same time period. A family tree is a type of chart which shows different generations of a family, starting from grandparents, and then second generation means their children, and then the third generation means their children. Means a family tree represents the 3 generations of a family generally, and it may be more than 3 also. You must have drawn the family tree in your notebook. Now moving on to the next point. New members are added to a family from time to time. Like when a baby is born, when someone gets married, then a new family member is added to the family. We meet other members of our family on special occasions and festivals. Children, you all know that some family members live with us and some do not live with us. So we meet them often on special occasions and festivals. Occasions means like birthday parties, anniversaries, celebrations, etc., picnics, etc. Now the next point is, traditions and customs are passed on from one generation to another. The children who live in a joint family, they automatically learn the values of life through their grandparents. Now the next point, members of a family resemble each other and may have similar habits too. Like a child resembles with his father or mother, and maybe a child resembles with her grandfather or grandmother, maybe paternal or maternal also. And some of the habits of the members of a family living together are also same, like waking up early in the morning, going for morning walk, etc. Now children, we have completed our chapter 1, lesson 1, and now we have to do the exercises of lesson 1. Now after read and reflect, there is a box of red color in which it is written exercise time. So exercise A is, what do you call the following relatives? Number 1, father's mother. What do you call your father's mother? Answer is Dadi. Second one is mother's brother. What do you call your mother's brother? Mama. Third one is mother's sister. What do you call your mother's sister? Mausi. Fourth one is father's younger brother. Father's younger brother is your chacha. Father's sister, answer is bua. Sixth one, father's elder brother, tau. Now the answers of exercise A I have written here. One is dadi, second mama, third is mausi, fourth one chacha, fifth one bua, sixth one is tau. And you must know the names of these relatives also. You must know the names of your dadi, mama, mausi, chacha, bua, tauji. So you have to also write the name of their names also. Means what is the name of your dadi, mama, mausi, chacha, etc. Children, try to find out their childhood names. You will be enjoying more in knowing their childhood names. And what are their nicknames, what their parents used to call them. So it will be a fun activity for you also. So do this activity, and you have to do exercise A in your notebook also. Now children, your assignment for today: write, read and reflect in your notebook. Second one, do exercise A in your notebook. Third one, write the names of your relatives and paste their photographs also in your notebook. If you can paste the photographs of your relatives whose names you have written in your exercise A, then it's very good. Children, try to paste their photographs also. I hope you must have understood the topic. Okay, thank you children.